Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Sau. I am here to explain our mini project LifeLink Blood Bank Management System. This project is developed by using Java Swing in Apache NetBeans. The main motive or the objective of our project to efficiently donor to efficiently manage our donor records, donor inventory, and donor requests. To complete our project, we are using Apache NetBeans IDE platform. Now moving forward to our coding part. In our coding part, now I have to move forward to log in our page. As you can see here, I will provide the login username and password. After login, this is our dashboard. uh, I have to say about our login page. This is the SQL login page. Only one authorized administrator can access the system at a time. So now moving forward to our dashboard part. Here is our dashboard. The dashboard provides quick access to all modules including the donor management, blood inventory, blood request, and about, and it's also display useful statistics like total number of donors, blood request, available blood units, and pending requests. Now moving forward to our donor management, here you can see about here you can see the donor management dashboard. Now I have to add a donor name and his age and his blood group and where he's come from, and it will save in our system only. Here you can see, as you can see, our one of our patient name is added. This module allows the administrator to manage donor information. Data validation ensures only valid information is stored. All records are saved in CSV files also. After doing all the thing here, I will show you the CSV files also. Now moving forward to blood inventory. This module maintains the quantity of each blood available in the blood bank management system. The administrator can update blood stock whenever blood is donated or used. Now moving forward to our blood request management. As you can see here, how I add a request, show the status, how to delete the request. This module is used to manage blood requests from hospitals patients. Each request include patient details, blood group, required units, hospital name, request status. Now as you can see here, our about section. When I click here the about section, this it say about the window display project information, which version is this and who developed this. These details inform there, and I can log out also. Now moving forward to our conclusion part. This project provides a simple and efficient way to manage blood bank operation. It reduces manual paperwork, improves record management, and can be extended into a web or mobile application for real hospital use. Like we can use in hospital and like a medicine store, we can use there also. Thank you.